In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I escaped the matrix, how I started 2 businesses at the age of 19 and have been financially free, and I'm on my way to my first $1 million. I'm going to show you guys what school has not been teaching us and what we all have failed to realize in today's society. The government is really powerful people, and they will do anything to keep their workers in their place. And by workers, I mean all the employees that are working federal and just jobs period. I'm talking about people that aren't self-employed. I'm going to be showing you guys the steps I took to make myself financially free at the age of 19, how I haven't worked a job in 2 years, moved into a nice luxury apartment, and have a nice car. No guys, I didn't make this money off of YouTube. As you can see, this is a new channel, but I have mastered how to make money off of YouTube from previous channels. If you check out this video right here, you can learn how to make money faster on YouTube. But besides that, I'm going to show you the mindset that you need so that you won't have to be controlled by anybody, and so that you can control your own destiny, because we all know that we don't like going to a 9-to-5 job, and we all know that some days we want to sleep in and we don't feel like putting up with the boss or following orders. So strap in guys, make sure you stay tuned to this full video so you don't miss any of these tips and tricks on how to be rich and successful. Before we start this video, feel free to go and check out the Patreon and the link in the description, where I do have online courses and ebooks on how to make money online the easy way, how to build your credit fast, how to make money in crypto, and even how to build a 6-figure trucking business. And if you still have further questions, feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. I do offer coaching calls, a 10-minute to 30-minute conversation for just $10. But with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So as you can see from the intro guys, I'm going to be showing you the mindset and the steps that you need to take to be rich and successful, and so you can be financially free and take a vacation every month if you want to, and be home at all times. So I graduated high school having the mindset of anybody else, thinking I needed to go to college and work a job, but I realized after about 1 year in college, scratch that. After my first semester in college, I realized that I was doing college work and going to college for absolutely no reason at all. I always knew I was going to be successful, but I never knew how. I just knew that I would never work for anybody and that I would make my money and be rich in my own way. So when I graduated high school, that's when I started up my first YouTube channel at KINGLATTA TV. And I started making music, thinking I was going to be a successful YouTuber and a rapper in just 2 years. But not knowing guys, I joined the military to help pay for college, because I thought I was going to take the school route. So I wanted to get free college to take the stress off of my parents' back. So I joined the military so that they could pay for college. And then I started being very inconsistent on my YouTube channels. Fast forward 2 years later, I start being consistent on YouTube and I start making money off of YouTube. But this is not how I made my money. I first quit my job from investing off of crypto. If you go to the beginning of my channel, you will see a bunch of videos on a platform called Novatech. This is a crypto trading platform that pays you 3% compound interest every week, meaning each week you will make more and more money on top of your investment. So I did a very good financial move. I made some money, and then I invested a lot of money into this platform and started making over $1,000 a week completely passively without doing any work at all. Because Novatech has a group of investors that will make the money for you. They do all the forex and crypto trading for you, and they pay you a return of 3%. So click the link in my description, sign up for Novatech so you can start making passive income in cryptocurrency. So this is how I quit my job, making over $1,000 a week with this, and then I started up a trucking industry business. I first started off with a cargo van business that was making me over $100 a day, and then I hopped into the box truck business so that I could make over $1,000 per day. I realized that the box truck industry is not what I wanted to do, and I wanted to make money from home more, so I focused my full talents on YouTube, and now I'm standing in front of you teaching you how to be successful. One thing you have to realize when you're on your journey to success is that it's gonna be very hard and you're gonna lose a lot of money. I mean, you're gonna lose so much money, and sometimes some nights you're gonna want to cry, and I know I did. You know, sometimes you're gonna be down $1,000 or even $10,000, but you just have to know what you're working towards is gonna return you a greater investment in the future. You really have to have a strong mindset for entrepreneurship. Just know that if you want to buy a car to try to flip it, say you buy a car for $5,000 and it breaks down, now you have to spend $2,000 to get the car back up and running. So now you have a $7,000 car that you can't even sell for nothing more than $6,000. So you just took a $1,000 loss. And these are just examples of some things that can happen. It's gonna be a lot of setbacks, but these setbacks are nothing but learning curves, guys. I know it hurts, but you can just learn from these setbacks, and in the future you will now avoid those so that you won't lose any more money. One thing about business is that learning is never done, and you're always gonna have to do research, product research, social research, guys. You want to know your customers, you want to know what's trending in the social media world. You're gonna need to learn marketing, and you're gonna need to learn how to post ads and run successful ads in any business that you want to pursue. After I found out that working a job all your life will still have you broke by the time you want to retire, say you make only $50,000 a year, it takes $20,000 to live, so you're only saving $20,000 to $30,000 a year, and by the time you want to retire at the age of 60, you still have 20 to 30 more years of living. So you're giving yourself $30,000 a year to spend. And like I said, inflation is on the rise, so by the time you are old, you're gonna be needing more than $20,000 a year just for basic living. So once I found out that a job will pretty much have me broke for my whole entire life, just enough to skim by, I realized that I needed to take the entrepreneurship route, and right now I have done exactly what I've desired to do, and it's working out pretty successful for me so far. Guys, I really just want to tell you guys, don't get caught up in the rat trap. Find out your passion, find out what you love to do, and find out a way that you can make money on that. It's a lot of easy ways to make money out here, and if you guys look through my channel, you will see a bunch of ways on how to make money online, how to make passive income, and how to start up a few businesses of your own. Even if you want to be a rapper or some type of artist, guys, don't be afraid of what your peers think, and just know that if you keep going every day, eventually you're going to be better than 99% of the world at whatever you're doing. It only takes a little bit under $350 per day to start making $100,000 per year. And guys, if you start your own business or start trying to make money yourself, you can scale up however much money you want to make, and there will be no salary cap on that. You don't have to listen to anybody bossing you around, and you can make however much money you want to. You don't have to ask for days off. You can go on vacation every week if you desire to. And you can finally start living your life that you always wanted to if you just take the self-employment route. The first 2 years, it's always going to be hard. For some, it does come easier depending on what niche you do pick. But it's not always good to go with a saturated niche that everybody is in, and sometimes it's not always an easy thing to start up something completely new. The best thing I advise is to just do something that's already trending, something that's already proven to work, and just do it in your own way and do it differently. If you do it differently to 100%, people are guaranteed gonna like it as long as you're not being weird. But just find a way to be different, guys, because if you just take a look at history, the most successful people are different. They have done something that has never been done before, or they've done the exact same thing just at a better rate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to escape the rat race, how to get out of the matrix, and my experiences on my business journey. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on how to make money the easy way. My name is KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo! If you haven't done so already, man, please go on the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. Over on the Patreon, we have how to make money the easy way, how to boost your credit fast, and how to make money online in multiple different niches. Also, we have a full step-by-step startup on how to start your own trucking business. If you guys still have more questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. We do offer coaching calls for $10. You can either schedule a 10-minute conversation or a 30-minute conversation one-on-one with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the movement. This channel is on the way to 100K. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. Now let's go up together, make it to the top, and let's get this money.
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in